Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find a liquid lipstick that truly lasts without drying out your lips, Kiko Milano's Lasting Matte Veil Liquid Lip Color might just catch your eye. Today, we're exploring their shade 10 Magnetic Coral, a vibrant, versatile color designed to complement all skin types. From the first look, this liquid lipstick comes in a sleek, minimalist tube with a precise doe foot applicator, making application effortless. The formula itself promises a long-lasting matte finish, combining rich pigmentation with a lightweight texture. It's meant to glide on smoothly and set without smudging or feathering. Testing it out in real-world conditions, I found the formula impressively opaque with just one swipe. The coral shade is striking without being overpowering, making it ideal for both daytime wear and evening glam. It dries down to a matte finish that isn't overly stiff or uncomfortable, though I did notice that lips benefit from a light balm beforehand to prevent any dryness during prolonged wear. In terms of longevity, it stayed vibrant for hours, surviving coffee sips and light snacks, though heavier meals required a touch-up. On the plus side, the pigmentation is fantastic. The applicator is precise, and it genuinely lives up to its long-lasting promise. On the flip side, it can feel slightly drying if applied on bare lips, and removal requires a dedicated makeup remover rather than water alone. Considering its price point, Kiko Milano delivers a quality formula with excellent color payoff, making it a worthy investment if you're after a matte liquid lipstick that performs reliably throughout the day. Compared to other high-street matte liquid lipsticks, this one stands out for its balance of pigment, comfort, and staying power. The packaging is sturdy and chic, protecting the product well, and while I haven't interacted directly with customer service, Kiko Milano is generally known for a professional and responsive support team. If your budget allows, it's hard to beat this combination of vibrancy and longevity. Though for those seeking a softer matte finish at a lower price, brands like NYX or Maybelline offer comparable options in a slightly less intense formula. Overall, Kiko Milano's Lasting Matte Veil Liquid Lip Color in Magnetic Coral is a beautifully pigmented, long-wearing matte lipstick that suits all skin types. If you love bold, enduring color and precise application, this is a product worth adding to your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. The link to grab this lipstick can be found in the comments or description box. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.